Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix fast battery drain problem in iPhone. If you're using an iPhone and you're facing the issue that your battery drains fast, let's see how can you easily fix the issue. So the very first thing is that you just have to open your settings and you can try to enable your low power mode. So open settings here, go for battery section and here select power mode and then enable low power mode from here. Once you have enabled low power mode, it will make your battery long lasting. And the second thing is that manage your background activity. Now to do that, you have to simply open your settings, go for general, and here you have to look for background app refresh settings, and you have to tap on this and then turn it off from here. Or if you don't want to turn it off, so you can customizely turn off or disable background app refresh for different apps, or you can also do this for your unnecessary apps. So for example, I'm going to do this for this. Once you have done, you just have to go back, and the third thing is that you have to adjust your display settings. So you just have to go back here, go for accessibility section, and from here just go for display and text size, and here you have to turn on auto lock. So here just look for auto lock option, or here's the auto brightness. So you must have to enable auto brightness. It will adjust your brightness automatically. So then go back and you have to disable your location services. So go for privacy and security section, go for location services. You can try to disable your location services from here. Simply tap on turn off and your location services will be turned off. And after that, you can also manage your notifications. So you have to go for notifications and you have to choose the apps for which you want to disable background notification service. And the other thing you can do, you have to update your iOS version. So open your general section here, go for software update, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates. It's because your pending updates require more battery. So after doing that, you have to also try to update your apps. So you have to simply go back, open up your app store, tap on your profile option in the top right corner, and here you will get all of the pending updates for your different apps. You just have to select this update all option to update all apps as well as once. And after doing that, you have to try to make a force restart your iPhone. It's not to do that, you have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once your screen goes black, you just have to wait for Apple logo here. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until its restarts. So after restarting, you have to unlock your phone and you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, the next thing you can try to disable unnecessary features from these settings from the control center. So I'm going to disable my Wi-Fi icon, and after doing that, you just have to go back. The last thing is that you have to open your settings app and here go for battery, and you have to check for your battery health. So you can see that my battery maximum capacity is 100%, and battery health is normal. But if you're seeing anything else here, if you see the battery percent lower than 85%, so it means that you have to change your iPhone's battery. So after doing that, after changing your iPhone battery, your issue must be fixed. Or you can also try to reboot or reinstall software on your iPhone. Now to do that, you have to use your PC or your laptop, and after that, you will be able to get a long-lasting battery capacity on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.